Hi, I'm Talo, your strategic social media expert, here to bring you a tip today on how to use LinkedIn for your business. If you're not familiar with LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a professional network, usually professionals that are working in corporate or working in business or business owners. So generally a little bit different from Facebook, because Facebook kind of attracts kind of everyone from every kind of background. LinkedIn is usually working professionals and business professionals. And so the advantages of doing business on LinkedIn is you do likely to link with someone within your area, and it's good to try to connect with, and that's what they use, connect with different people that are within your regions and with your area, or what you would consider as a potential customers. You definitely don't want to link with someone and say, hey, I have something to sell. You want to link with them, see if they connect. You may have to go through a few people before you get someone that you can actually gauge a conversation with, but you want to start a conversation. And maybe if you go down their page or each person's page, you can find something that you may be able to help with and offer something for free. An advantage LinkedIn has is you could do articles, and articles are really good if you're writing about things to promote your business. There are different groups on LinkedIn, so you can find different groups that relate to your business, and that's something that can help. LinkedIn does offer ads, and like any other social media, I definitely encourage doing some type of ad. As long as you have a great offer, you give great value, you have a deadline, ads are definitely a good thing, and LinkedIn does have ads. So you want to make sure that you do have a good profile. You want to connect with people. You want to communicate with people. Think about, if you got to offer a service that within your area, you can do ads. And LinkedIn is good to connect with people to create a good business connections and get potential clients or get clients. So if you got any more questions pertaining to LinkedIn or social media, definitely please like, share, or comment this video. Send me a message if you need any assistance or if I could be of any help to you. Again, I'm Mutawai. Have a great day.